So hi Morgan.
Hello.
We are here at Worng?
Whichever.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you've got a new mid-side processor for Eurorack, right?
Yeah, I do. It's called Midside Plus, and it is an extension on the Lure Smith's lure. This old module, which was the first one that I designed, and it's a very similar circuit. It just adds a 3-0 stereo width control on the mid side to left-right conversion, and so yeah, you patch in with left and right inputs here. You've got like a send and return loop of mid and side, and then these mid-side inputs get converted back into a left-right stereo. And yeah, the width control lets you go from mono in the central position here. That's regular stereo. You can do super wide stereo, which is not phase coherent. It gives you, basically an inverted version of the differences of the left and the right. Really good for like super wide like reverb effects and stuff. And then you can go back to reverse stereo, so the left and the right are swapped over, and then super wide reverse as well. And that's all analog. It's all completely continuously variable, and there's CV input for it as well. And then the last thing is a high pass filter, which is on the side, which just lets you cut out the low frequencies of the side, so you don't have to worry about out of phase low end.
So you've got just like a simple drone happening, right?
Yeah, I've just got one oscillator patched into the left here, and I'll just do a little demonstration of not panning, but audio rate stereo width modulation. So I'll just turn it up. So at the moment, so we've got the left input, so it's just going straight back to left. You go to mono, and you can reverse it, so the left is on the right. And then I've just got an LFO here, which will patch into the CV input. And I'll just put the headphones on so I can hear what I'm doing. So now it's just moving between left and right like panning. But we can make that happen at audio rate. And when you get faster, you get these super wide kind of ring modish drones happening. Really wide, pull it back to mono. Yeah. So that's a basic little patch, but it's a really good thing for if you wanted to make a mono signal into a stereo one, and you want to do something a bit more interesting than just like, I don't know, having like a
just
saw
move it around.
Yeah. Actually, I'll show you one more little patch which I just figured out. Well, I worked it out theoretically the other day, but I've only just tried it. It's taking the side signal. So when you have just the left input patched in, because of the way mid-side works, if you've got left on one side and nothing on the other, then you have equal amounts of signal on the mid and the side to process. So I'm just going to take this side signal and then just run it to a really short delay in this multi-effects unit, and then I'll patch it back in, and what it's going to do is when it recombines, it's going to do just a little bit of comb filtering. So it'll make, hang on, I'll put the headphones on and I'll get the audio going again, but it'll just make a comb filtered stereo kind of oscillator out of this. Audio back up. So there we've just got left, and now I'll patch in the delayed signal. So now there's just like a really wide thing happening. And if you change the delay time, you can change the frequency of the comb filtering. And then that's all variable completely with the stereo width. Yeah, it's a good way to take your mono signals and then turn them into stereo so that then you can run them through stereo filters and other kinds of processing.
Brilliant. So do you have a kind of time scale of when that's going to be ready and price point?
It's going to be $229 US. It should be ready in a month or two. They're in production. We finally got all the parts. It's been a bit of a nightmare getting your hands on.
I think everyone's having the same issues, right?
Yeah, but they're getting close, and I would say July. Everyone should be able to get them by July.
Brilliant. Well, Morgan, thank you very much.
Oh, my pleasure.